Hello friends, I am Allad and welcome to my YouTube channel Striking Vista. Today we will see the amazingly beautiful lake Lucerne. This glacier lake is situated in the heart of the picturesque city Lucerne. It is one of the Europe's finest lakes and is the fourth largest in the country. Lake Lucerne is brimming with the historical sites and beautiful surrounding villages and is a joy to explore. The lake is over 200 meters deep at some places. The lake is also surrounded by the majestic snow-capped mountains including the Mount Rigi and Mount Pilatus. We took the 1-hour boat ride that starts from the central Lucerne. This boat ride is included in the Swiss Travel Pass. The last boat ride during the springtime is normally at 5 o'clock in the evening. It's a beautiful lake to photograph and we also enjoyed walking alongside the lake. Vegas on the way is a really charming village and you can get down here to explore further if you have more time. It looks more beautiful during the sunrise and sunset time. So enjoy the rest of the video and plan this boat journey on your visit to Switzerland. By the way, do subscribe to my channel Striking Vista if you like the video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day ahead.